How to link bank account to Wealthsimple. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you want to link a bank account to Wealthsimple, then first of all launch open any web browser. Now head over to Wealthsimple's official website. Here you want to log into your account by entering your credentials. Then click on this profile icon. Now from this drop down select settings. Here you want to click on the option of accounts. Then select linked accounts option. Here you want to click on link a new account. Now a list of banks will be provided. Go ahead and find your bank and click on that. Now you will have to click on the continue option over here. Next you want to enter your bank's credentials. For that, first of all enter your phone number. After that you want to enter your username. Then enter your password and click on the submit option. With this, you will be able to link your bank account to Wealthsimple, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.